This tutorial will cover the steps to take after a recording is complete. Now, when you requested your recording site, if you asked for the recordings to be posted online immediately, then you do not have to take any steps after recording. Viewers will have access to the recordings right away. You can still do the steps in this video if you want to edit your recording, but it's not necessary. However, if you did not ask for immediate posting, then this video will show you how to get your recordings posted for your viewers to watch. To get started, first connect to the management interface of the lecture capture system using the URL provided. You will be asked to log in using your unique name and password. Then, a list of sites you have access to will be displayed on the left side of the page. Remember, a site is essentially a container that holds related lectures. So now, locate the site that contains the lecture you want to edit. Click the Manage Recordings link to view the recordings for that site. You may notice that some of the recordings are grayed out in this list. These are unpublished, meaning that they will not appear in the list of recordings shown to students. You can quickly publish a recording by clicking the Publish link, although if you use the Edit link, you will also have an opportunity to enter a title and trim the recording. That is what I will do in this case. So click the Edit link for the recording you want to work on. An Edit Recording page will appear. What you do next will depend on whether you want to trim the beginning and end of your recording. If you simply want to enter a title and publish it as is, then just click the Publish checkbox, enter a title here, and if you want, a description, which will be displayed to the students. Finally, just click the Save button and you are done. If instead you want to edit the recording, click the Modify Recording tab to bring up the editor. This is most useful in cases where an automated schedule is used to start and stop the recording, which often leaves a couple extra minutes at the beginning and end. To trim those portions off, you can drag the Start and End markers, or use the Set buttons here under Start Trim and End Trim to place the marker at the current playback position. These arrows allow you to jump in the video by 5 seconds or 1 minute at a time, which can help locate the exact right place to place a trim marker. You can also drag the playback head anywhere into the recording. Sections in the middle of the recording can also be trimmed out. Just press the Add button and choose to add a cut. You can drag and resize the cut to the desired location, or use these start and end time adjustments to position it more precisely. More cuts can be added the same way. It is also possible to blank out or replace a slide in the presentation. You do this by pressing the Add button and choosing Slide Replacement. You place it in the recording pretty much the same way as a cut. Once all the edits are the way you want them, you can optionally enter a title and description here, click the Publish checkbox, and then Save Changes. The recording is now edited, titled, and available to your students for viewing. Note that whenever a lecture is edited or new output formats added, a certain amount of processing is required before the lecture is available for viewing. How long this will take depends on the length of your recording and how busy the server is processing other lectures. It can take a half hour or so for a typical lecture to be viewable in the best format for web delivery. That pretty much covers it. If you have any questions, just contact the CAEN hotline by phone or email. Thanks.